Alright guys, I recently switched from my Mediacom to Frontier Fiber Internet 500 for a really good $24.99 deal. Only problem is the router comes with only one Ethernet cable in and one Ethernet out. So that leaves you a limited to what you can hook up to. You can only hook up to your computer or something. That's it, and you're done. So that's where this comes in handy. This TP-Link TLSG108. This has 7 ports, even though it says 8. One has to come in from your router. And this is a switch up to 1 gigabyte per port. So this is not a hub. So this will give you that exact Ethernet going in as it does come out for each port. And it's plug and play. You don't have to program it. Really easy to use. I'll put a link in the description if you need one. The regular $60 about. I got this on sale for about $20. Put the link in the description.